Growing up, there was one dish that I had almost every day, and that's idlis and dosas. And they say tradition passes over, and I do the same thing too for my family. There's always an idli dosa batter at home every day of the week. But of course, there are times when I've forgotten to soak the idli dosa batter, and I sort of think, what am I going to do? And that's when I decided it has to be something instant to satisfy that craving of having dosa every day. So I decided to make a dosa that's made out of wheat flour, suji, and chopped with lots of coriander and spinach, and tossing it along with onions, and then making the dosa. And my children loved it. So today in Rose Kakana with Figaro olive oil, I'm going to show you how to make an instant dosa that is healthy and cooked in pure olive oil. Pure olive oil is great because it has a lot of antioxidants in it and is great anti-aging properties as well. It's great for the skin and hair nourishment too. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right in and start making this dish.